Hi everybody, Alex Deployer from Expert Forex, and I hope this video gives you lots of money-making Forex trading ideas. Hi everybody, Alex Deployer from Expert Forex, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the comparison between Forex trading results and index and future trading results using our robots. Now, we have been specializing in Forex for over 10 years now, and recently we started experimenting with indices and futures, and we found to our amazement that these were producing really superior results, and in fact 343% better than the best Forex currencies. So I'm going to take you through that process today. So what we did is we tested our top 10 currencies against the top traded indices and futures using our best and most robust Forex robots. And I'm going to take you through that process, give you an idea of what results came out of that exercise. Now, firstly, we ran a Forex trading competition trading all of our Forex trading robots, and as you can see on your screen, they were all nicely positive. All our robots are nicely positive when trading the Forex market. So we don't have a problem trading the Forex market. We selected the two most robust EAs from this list and applied them to the futures and indices market. Just a reminder, you can still purchase all of our EAs for 80% off by clicking on this button. So the first EA or Forex robot that we're going to be looking at is the MakeMoney EA. And when you go to the EA Factory website, you get a product information page which explains to you how to get the very best out of your EAs and where you can find documentation and links to the forums and all that kind of thing. And then one of the things that you get on this page, which is very valuable, is a settings analysis. In other words, we do a lot of back testing and we supply you with set files. So let's click on that particular link, and it will then take you to this page which says, do you want to use index markets or Forex markets? So let's go to the Forex markets first. So we click on that, and here we are in the Forex market. Now, just to explain to you how these tests are done, we've selected 10 of the best currencies to test. We've tested on 4 time frames. We've used a consistent 100 to 1 leverage. We've used $10,000 as the account balance and 0.1 loss for every single trade. So in other words, we've tried to make all the results 100% comparable with each other by using very consistent deposits and leverage and even lot sizes in this particular exercise. So, and here are the results of all the testing, and you can see we use the every tick basis, which is the most reliable and accurate way of testing EAs. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sort this column into most profitable and least profitable. And as you can see here, the most profitable Forex cross is the pound USD on the 15-minute time frame, and it has produced $22,500. Now, that means it has doubled the account more than twice over the year of testing. And as you can see, if you look down the list, the results are pretty robust. And if we go down a little bit further, we can see that the average of all 40 tests that we did 10 currencies times 4 time frames, average profit was $10,600. So let's go now to the indexes. So just remember the numbers. The average was 10,000. The best was 22,000. So we go to the indexes, and exactly the same thing. Here are the indexes we've chosen, and we haven't chosen that many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've stuck to the ones that we think would be the best indexes, and there they are. There are the time frames that we've chosen, leverage, and the deposits, all this. There is a lot size difference there, and the reason for that is that the pip values of futures are slightly different in structure to the currency that we trade. So it all boils down to the same thing, but we had to adjust the lot sizing to make them comparable. So let's have a look at the results that were generated, and I've again sorted the column in profitability order, and you can see again very robust profitability that's coming out there, but the best result there was 77,000. Now that's quite a bit more than the 22,000 of the Forex crosses that we looked at. That was achieved on the 5-minute time frame, and it's the US 30 that is the most profitable. And you can see the US 30 is actually a very good index to trade. Again, if we look down at the average is 23,500, a huge jump in the averages. So in conclusion, if you were to apply the MakeMoney EA to the indexes and the future markets, then you could expect much superior results. Let's have a look at the Tradable RSI. Okay, so let's go back to the EA Factory website. We've got a huge number of EAs on that website, and we're looking for the Tradable RSI, and there it is, the Tradable RSI. Click on that, and again it brings the product information page up with all the details where you can get lots of information about forums and training material and all that type of thing. But we're interested in the settings analysis. Again, I'll click on that and it will bring up our settings analysis. Again, you've got the Forex market here and you've got the index market there, and I'm going to go to the Forex market first, and here we are. We've got our 10 currencies there and time frames there, and so exactly the similar tests, and I'm going to just sort it on a profitability basis, and here you can see the top profits on 19,700, not quite as high as the MakeMoney, but pretty close to the MakeMoney. It's the Aussie yen that did that, and we use quite a high spread for the Aussie yen, and it's on the 5-minute time frame. Again, the results are pretty robust if you look down that list, and let's move on to the indexes. So we go back here, we click on details for the index, and here we are, and there are the indexes that were tested. Again, we sort them in profitability order, and here you can see again a huge jump in profitability, $28,900 again on the 5-minute time frame for the US 30. Looking down the list again, you can see how robust those indexes are. Now, just a reminder, in each case, if you're an owner of this EA, all you do is you say, which set file am I interested in? And there is the set file. You just click on that and you can download any of these set files. And if you're interested in seeing the actual settings that were used, here are the actual settings for every single set file that you can download. So, and you get, in this particular case, you get 24 indexes and 40 currency set files. So quite a good deal for owners. We actually do quite a lot to provide you with the optimized settings for a 12-month period that work best over that particular period. So here we have the summary of the results. The MakeMoney EA, fantastic results for the index results, and you can see how much better they are than the Forex results. And again, with the Tradable RSI, really good results for the indexes and not bad results for the Forex. And also, if you compare the averages, they are way superior. Now, if you want more details about the MakeMoney EA or the Tradable RSI or any of our other EAs, please use this link, very simple link, expertforex.com, and you can get details of all our EAs. Now, we are going to be testing more of our EAs on futures and indexes, so please watch future videos for those results. I think so far what has been proven is that our Forex robots actually produce superior results when applied into the index and future markets. And that was part of this particular exercise. We are going to be testing a lot more EAs because of that. And please visit our marketing pages if you want more information about these EAs. The EAs have been designed to trade the Forex market, but a lot of brokers have added these instruments to their offering to their clients, and that is why we have now used these robots to test those markets. So if you're an owner of the MakeMoney EA or the Tradable RSI, I would suggest that you go to the EA Factory website and have a look at those set files and download the ones that you are interested in. And if you are not already a proud owner of the MakeMoney or the Tradable RSI EA, then have a look at those marketing pages. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio. Thanks for watching this video. If you've liked it, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and click the bell. But most importantly, share this video. You can do this in many ways. Message your friends, send them emails, or share it on social media, on Facebook, on Twitter, and those kind of places. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.